Hello students, good morning. Welcome to my channel. In this episode, we are going to discuss the relative position of the following circles. They will give two equations of circles. What are the position of the circles according to the plane? We'll see that. First, given circles. Give the names equation 1 and equation 2. First equation, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0, and x square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26 equal to 0. Equation number 2. The first equation of circle center C1, we know that how to calculate the center of the first circle. Half of minus x coefficient by 2, half of minus y coefficient by 2. So it will becomes 2 comma 3 center of first circle, C2 equal to center of second circle minus coefficient of x by 2, so minus 3 minus coefficient of y by 2, that means minus 9. Radius of first circle, radius of second circle, R1 is equal to square root of, this is minus g minus f, so g square means minus g whole square, also can write g square, so 2 square plus f square 3 square minus of minus 12 plus 12, which is equal to square root of 13 plus 12 25. So R1 is equal to 5. We got it. Now come to the second circle radius. R2 is equal to square root of g square plus f square minus 3 whole square plus minus 9 whole square plus minus c minus 26, which is equal to square root of 81 plus 9 90, 90 minus 26 is 64. Root 64 is equal to 8. R2, radius of second circle. After getting the values of R1, R2, we need to calculate the distance between their centers. C1, C2 is equal to distance between 2 points like square root of 2 minus of minus 3, 2 plus 3 whole square plus 3 minus of minus 9, 3 plus 9 whole square, which is equal to square root of 5 square 25 plus 12 square 144, which is equal to root 169, which is equal to 13. Therefore C1 C2 value is equal to 13. After getting the values of C1 C2, R1 and R2, calculate sum of the radii and difference of the radii. R1 plus R2 equal to 5 plus 8 equal to 13. By observing, R1 plus R2 is equal to C1 C2. Therefore, C1 C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. Whenever C1 C2 is equal to R1 plus R2, the relation position of two circles will be like this. The two circles touch each other externally. This is C1, this is C2. This is R1, this is R2. Therefore, C1 C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. You have to write like conclusion. Therefore, given circles touch each other externally. We take one more example. See the next question. Given circles x square plus y square plus 6x plus 6y plus 14 equal to 0, and x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. As usual procedure, first find out the both circle centers. Minus 3 comma minus 3. and second circle center C2 equal to 1 comma 2 and radius of first circle R1 equal to square root of g square plus h square 9 plus 9 minus c, so minus 14, which is equal to 18 minus 14, that is equal to root 4, which is equal to 2. So R1 value is 2. We got it, the value of R1 is 2. And radius of second circle R2 equal to square root of g square plus h square 1 plus 4 minus c, minus of minus 4 root 9, which is equal to 3. R2 value we got it. After getting the values of R1 and R2, calculate distance between their centers C1 C2 square root of minus 3 minus 1 whole square. So minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus minus 3 minus 2 whole square, which is equal to square root of 16 plus 25, which is equal to root 41. Next, difference between radii and sum of the radii. First R1 plus R2, 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. R1 minus R2, which is equal to mod 2 minus 3, which is equal to mod minus 1, which is equal to plus 1. Root 41, it is nearby. Root 36 means 6. Root 49 nearby, it is root 49. Root 36 is 4. So it is 4 point something it will be. Why? Because not 4 point, it is 6 point something it will becomes. Because less than root 49, greater than 36. So 6 point something. By observing these values 6 point something, 5 and 1, we observe that 1 is less than 5. That 5 is also less than 6 point something. So 1 means what? Mod R1 minus R2, which is less than 5 means what? R1 plus R2 is less than 6. 6 means C1, C2. But this condition is not there in our relative positions. But by observing here, R1 plus R2 is less than C1, C2, that implies C1, C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. Whenever C1, C2 is greater than R1 plus R2, the two circles do not intersect and one circle is away from other circle. See that? This is the first circle and this is another circle. They do not intersect. One circle is away from another circle. Like this, the relative position of two circles will be there according to the problem. Conclusion step. Therefore, given circles do not intersect and one circle or one is away from other circle. Like this, we have to give the conclusion. We'll take one more example. The next question. The given circle, this is the fourth question in that question. Third question you will do as a homework. Given circles x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y minus 3 equal to 0. Equation number 1 and equation number 2. As usual procedure, find both the centers as well as their radius. C1 is equal to first circle center. So 1 comma minus 2 and second circle center C2 minus 2 comma 3. Radius of first circle R1 equal to square root of g square plus h square 1 plus 4 minus of minus 4 plus 4, which is equal to root 9, which is equal to 3. R1 is equal to 3. And radius of second circle R2 equal to square root of g square plus h square 4 plus 9 minus of minus 3 plus 3. So root 16, which is equal to 4. R2 is equal to 4. R1 value we got it, R2 value also we got it. After that, find the distance between the centers. C1, C2 is equal to square root of 1 minus of minus 2, 1 plus 2 whole square plus minus 2 minus 3, minus 2 minus 3 whole square, which is equal to square root of 3 square is 9 plus 5 square is 25, which is equal to root 34. Now calculate difference of radii and sum of the radii. R1 minus R2. Mod R1 means 3, R2 means 4, which is equal to mod minus 1, which is equal to 1. R1 plus R2. 3 plus 4, which is equal to 7. From this data, this root 34, root 25 means 5, root 36 means 6. So root 34 means it is between 5 and 6. So we can write it as this is 5 point something. 5 point something. From this data 5 point something, 1 and 7, obviously we write it as from this data 1 is less than 5 point something is less than 7. 5 point something, 1 and 7. So 1 value is what here? Mod R1 minus R2 is less than 5 value is what? C1 C2. 5 point something is C1 C2 is less than 7 is what? R1 plus R2. It is there one of the relative positions. This is whenever modulus of R1 minus R2 is less than C1 C2 is less than sum of the radii. In this case, the two circles intersect in two distinct points like this way. The two circles intersecting at two different points A and B. So this is C1, this is C2. So R1, this is R2. Like this, the position of these two circles, you have to write the conclusion. Given circles intersect, given circle intersect in two distinct points, like this you have to give the conclusion. In the next question, we have to discuss according to the relative position of circles, how many possible common tangents are possible? How many number of possible common tangents? That we will discuss now. Come to the next question. Find the number of possible common tangents that exist for the given pair of circles. So first question we will take this. Given circles x square plus y square plus 6x plus 6y plus 14 equal to 0. Put that equation number 1. And x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. This is the second equation. According to the procedure, find first both the centers as well as the radius. C1, first circle center minus 3 comma minus 3, second circle center 1 comma 2. Radius of first circle R1 equal to square root of 9 plus 9 minus 14, root 18 minus 14 is root 4, which is equal to 2, and R2 equal to square root of 1 plus 4 minus of minus 4, root 9, which is equal to 3. Radius of second circle. Now calculate C1 C2. First you have to approach the relative position of two circles, then only will decide how many possible number of common tangents will come there. So C1 C2 equal to square root of minus 3 minus 1 whole square. So minus 4 whole square plus minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 whole square, which is equal to 16 plus 25, which is equal to root 41. Root 41, which is equal to, it is less than root 49, greater than root 36. So it will become 6 point something will be there. Next R1 plus R2, 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. R1 minus R2, 2 minus 3, which is equal to mod minus 1, which is equal to 1. Now here also same thing. From this data we can write as 1 is less than 5 is less than 6 point something. So it will become mod R1 minus R2 is less than R1 plus R2 is less than C1 C2. So this relation is not there in our relative positions. So we have only this condition. C1 C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. That means the two circles do not intersect. Given circles given circles do not intersect, and one is away from other circle. So the diagram will become like this. These two circles will be like this position. Now we will calculate how many possible common tangents. That means how many direct are there, how many transverse are there. These are the direct common tangents, DCT. These two are transverse common tangent, TCT. Here TCT. So total number DCT2, TCT2. So total number of common tangents. Total number of common tangents is equal to 4. So for according to the given circles, pair of circles, the number of common tangents are 4. Particularly we say that direct common tangents, number of direct common tangents are 2 and number of transverse common tangents are 2. One more problem based on this question, this concept we will discuss. After that, internal center of similitude and external center of similitude we will discuss that. Second question in this concept. Find the number of possible common tangents that exist for the given circles. First given circle, equation number 1 and equation number 2. Center of first circle C1 is equal to minus x coefficient by 2 minus y coefficient by 2, and the center of second circle C2 equal to 3 comma 2. Radius of first circle R1 equal to square root of 4 plus 1 minus 1, which is equal to root 4, which is equal to 2. And the center of second circle R2 equal to square root of g square plus f square, 9 plus 4 minus 4, root 9, which is equal to 3. After that, we will calculate distance between their centers. C1, C2 equal to square root of 2 minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 2 whole square, which is equal to square root of 2 minus 3 whole square. 1 minus 2 whole square is also 1, which is equal to root 2. R1 plus R2 and R1 minus R2, 2 plus 3 which is equal to 5, R1 minus R2 mod, so we can write it as 2 minus 3 which is equal to mod minus 1 which is equal to 1. Root 2 means 1.414. So from this data we will observe that 1 is less than 1.14414 is less than 5. So we can write it as mod R1 minus R2 is less than C1 C2 is less than R1 plus R2. We have one of the conditions in relative equation of two circles. That means whenever these conditions will be there, that time the two circles intersecting in two distinct points. The two circles intersecting in two distinct points. So in this case, how many possible common tangents are possible? So here, observe that these are one direct common tangent, and here also one other direct common tangent. There is no transverse common tangent are possible here. Observe that DCT is equal to 2, TCT 0. There is no transverse common tangent here. Therefore, the number of common tangents is equal to 2. One more example I will take, the number of common tangents case. After that we will enter into the internal center of similitude and external center of similitude. The next question. Find the number of possible common tangents that exist for the circles. First given circles, x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y minus 3 equal to 0, equation number 1, and x square plus y square plus 4x minus 2y plus 4 equal to 0, second equation. Find out the both of circle centers. Minus 2 comma 3 is the first circle center and C2 equal to second circle center minus 2 comma 1. And find out the radius of first circle. 4 plus 9 minus of minus 3 plus 3 which is equal to square root of 16 which is equal to 4. R1 is equal to 4. Next, and R2, radius of second circle R2 equal to minus 2 whole square plus 1 square minus 4. Plus 4 minus 1 cancel, root 1 which is equal to 1. This is the radius of second circle. After that, distance between the centers calculate. Square root of C1 C2 minus 2 minus of minus 2 whole square. So minus 2 plus 2 whole square plus square root of 3 minus 1 whole square which is equal to square root of 0 plus 2 square 4 root 4 is equal to 2 and sum of the radii R1 plus R2 equal to 4 plus 1 which is equal to 5 R1 minus R2 mod which is equal to 4 minus 1 which is equal to 3. From this we can write it as 2 is less than 3 is less than 5. 2 means what? C1 C2 is less than 3 means mod R1 minus R2 is less than R1 plus R2. But this condition is not there in our relative equation, but this condition is there. C1 C2 is less than modulus of R1 minus R2. In this case, one circle is completely lies inside the circle. This is the first circle, center C1 and whose radius is 4, R1. And radius of second circle C2 center minus 2 comma 1 with radius 1 unit. So whenever one circle is completely lying in another circle, then we say that there is no common tangent are possible. When common tangent is possible, whenever two circles touch each other or intersecting, somewhere will possible the common tangents. But here, the one circle is completely lying in other circle, so there is no possible common tangent. Conclusion you have to write. Given circles or otherwise like this you can write conclusion. One circle completely lying in other. Therefore, the number of common tangents are 0. There is no possible common tangent. That means there is no possible common tangents. Number of common tangents are 0. Thank you very much, students, for watching my videos. Please do subscribe and share and support. If you have any doubts regarding this concept, you can write to my inbox. I'll respond. Thank you very much.